So in some cases, no matter how hard you try, your iPhone screen won't rotate. Let me show you for instance. You can see my iPhone is in portrait. If I choose to put the phone on landscape mode like this iPhone screen is supposed to rotate, but because the iPhone screen is locked to portrait, it will not rotate on landscape mode. So in this case, I'm going to show you how to rotate your iPhone screen in landscape mode. The easiest way to do this is just scroll down your control center, then click on the rotate button. You see portrait orientation lock is off. Literally now your iPhone is going to rotate when you rotate the iPhone app menu. Once you turn off portrait on your iPhone, then the rotation is supposed to work just like this. However, your iPhone screen is actually rotating, but the screen itself might not rotate if you do it just like this. To confirm whether your iPhone screen is rotating or not, this is what you need to do. Open the Safari browser on your iPhone like this. Now, while you're on the Safari browser just like this, rotate the phone. You can see the iPhone screen actually rotates, but because the home screen is locked, the iPhone screen could not rotate. You can also try this in the messaging app on your iPhone. Let's say you open the messaging app on your iPhone, then rotate the iPhone screen. You see, the iPhone actually rotates. So this is how to enable iPhone screen rotate, or how to fix iPhone screen won't rotate. So iPhone screen is not like the Samsung screen, where when you turn on screen rotation, your Samsung phone screen will start to rotate. So this is what I am saying. On your Samsung phone, if you click on portrait, this is going to set to auto rotate, right? Let's go to the Samsung home screen just like this. Then if you rotate it, the apps are going to rotate. So the iPhone is a bit different from your Samsung phone. So this auto rotate Samsung screen when the screen won't rotate. But in case of iPhone, to rotate your iPhone screen, you need to confirm this via the Safari browser or message to check or confirm whether your iPhone screen rotation is enabled and the portrait mode is turned off. So if this helps you on how to fix iPhone screen won't rotate, want to hit like button and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.